Once the table was all clean, 100% dry, I started to remove the old finish. And I bought this Carbide scraper off Amazon to see what all the hype was about. And I love it. It took me about a half an hour to scrape off the majority of this dated finish. No smelly chemicals were required. And if any of you have this tool, I'd be curious to hear how often you change the blade. While I was using it for this table, the blade stayed super sharp the whole time, but I'm guessing after a couple of furniture makeovers, probably the blade will need to be switched out. But I'm really impressed with how easy it was to use and how easy it was just to scrape off this old finish. It worked fabulous.